This tutorial I'll be guiding you guys on how to private any post in Facebook. So let's get started. So first you want to open up any browser. In my case I'm using Brave browser. So then you're gonna type in facebook.com and then click enter. Once you're in facebook.com, you want to go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, you want to scroll down to any post you want to private. So I want to private this post in my case. So first you want to click here, and then you're gonna click edit post, and over here you'll see this public thing, and then you want to click this drop down, and here you can make it private. So click only me, which means that only you can see this post, so it means it's private to other people, only you can see this. So then click done, and then click save. Now no one can see this file, it's only me who can see this post. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.